Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Woo!
Owen, I love you too much.
Huh?
I love you long time. You forget me.
Oh, that wind's bitter.
Why are we not raising people strong? Why are we not challenging people and offending them to build them strong?
It's a double-decker bus, crashes into us, tipped out by outside. Oh dear. Right, get these wellies on. Easier said than done. Okay now. Sit. I'm going to test them out today. I'm going to head to the bay. Do a little bit of photography, but before then I'm going to nip in my garden, mess about, do a bit of bird photography. There's a little bit of sunshine, and I am going to place some mealworms in the little branch that I've made and just have a mess around for half an hour, because it's not high tide until 3 o'clock. It is now around about 11:30. Oh, right, see if this will do it. Right, I'm sat here. I've put a little bit of food on the table, but I know I've really got to take that branch off and drill some decent sized holes in it. So I'll just see what happens. I'll just have a bit of a practice. But it's since the last 5 minutes, looks like it's going to rain. The weather is absolute garbage. I just grabbed a quick shot of a bird landing. It was only there about 2 or 3 seconds. I don't know what it is. I'll put the picture up now. It was yellow. I don't know if it's a blue tit. I don't think it was. But I'll have to have a look in my bird book. I bought that for my granddaughter's birthday. She was 2. I'm going to get it to my daughter's house yet. And this is my little bird book. So I will put the photograph of my favourite picture I've just taken, and when I get back from doing a bit more photography outside on the bay, I'll have a look through that and find out what the bird was and match it to something in there, because I know what a seagull is and a pigeon, and that is about it. High tide is in 2 hours and I'm about 30 minutes away. It's a little bit bland this time of year, but I'm using this as a little bit of exercise. I'm now round about 20 hours into my fast. I won't be able to eat until tomorrow morning. I do feel a little bit hungry, but I'll be alright. Just got some liquid in my bag, but it's great to be out in the fresh air. Beautiful, cool breeze. Now then, this morning I'm off to the docks. D-Day for my weight loss tablets. See what happens. A lovely calm morning. I've seen the lady. What a nice lady, the doctor. and she's given me a 3-month prescription. So I'm going to pick my tablets up now. What a result. That's my new favourite shop. It is absolutely fantastic. Got everything you need, all under one roof. The crystal chandelier lights up the paintings on the wall. The marble statuette is standing safely in the hall. Right, I'm off to collect my Orlistat tablet. Just got to walk over this bridge. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Can't wait to start taking them. What am I going to do today? Well, I'm going to have a tinker about in the garden. If it doesn't rain, it's spitting a little bit, but it's all right for the time being. And on my way home, I've got to find myself a tree branch for my bird table, and I'm going to work on that. I'm going to cut it to shape, drill some decent holes in it, and fix it in place outside my man cave. It's all going, it's all exciting stuff, but that's what I'm going to do on a dull, grey day in Lancaster. It's took a while, you know, to get these tablets. 2 months. I know I could have gone out and bought them on the Tinternet, but I've got them for nought. Got them on a free prescription, which I'm entitled to because I've paid into the system all my life. Why should I go out and buy them? Anyway, hopefully these will help me to get the weight off, get back into action. Right, I'm just going to walk through this little wooded area, find myself a nice branch. I'm not crazy, honestly. Got my tablets, 84 tablets it gave me, so that must be a month's supply. I can bet that when I look on my NHS app, there won't be a repeat prescription. I hope there is, but there probably won't be. I'll have to faff about trying to reorder. Let's hope for once something goes right. Right, I've got these two here. I don't want them too thick, but maybe something like that I will be able to drill a few holes in, put bits of suet and things like that, a few mealworms, and it'll look more natural when I am taking the pictures. Well, I've got my drill, I'm making a coffee, and I'm going to have my first how do you say it? Orlistat. My first Orlistat tablet, got to take 3 a day. That's from there. This is my very first tablet. Let's hope it does the job. Down the hatch. Better. Bloody hell, where's my belt? I'm losing my pants. Oh, let's get my old boots on. Looking forward to this. The first time I've been pottering out in the garden this year, and it's now almost the end of February. I can't get my shoes on. Even my feet have put weight on. Bloody hellfire. You couldn't make it up. The first thing I'm going to do is screw this branch to the front of the table. And then where this flat area is, I'm going to put some gravel down and a little bowl for some drinking water, so it looks more natural. I've got this stone against this wooden post, so when the birds land on this flat area, it should look more natural. Now then, what an enjoyable hour that was out there. I've redesigned my bird table. It looks a lot more natural now. I will show you. I'll make a video with my big camera here, and I'm going to take a few photographs. I've primed it with some mealworm and a few seeds, and I sit here for an hour or so, just chill and snap away. I've set my camera to shutter priority, automatic ISO, so all I have to do is focus. This is my little setup. I've got my camera on this monopod, so it's easy to hold. I can just relax here when there's no birds, and believe me, there's no birds. I've been sat here 15 minutes, but when they do come, I can just spring into action. Right, I'll show you my new redesigned bird table. Got a coconut there. There is a branch with some seeds in a hole that's drilled in the branch. There's another one there. And this is a little area I've made with stones. There's some water hid behind one of the rocks. And as you can see, some mealworms. And then I've got this with all the seeds and things in there, but that doesn't look natural, does it? But that will attract the birds. Hopefully they will land on the branches first and then on here, where I will be able to get some decent shots. It's just started spitting. It's spitting! It's spitting! Everybody in! Someone told me that Bill Oddie is shitting himself. Right, that's it, time to call it a day. I've been sat here well over an hour, but I've been chilling. I've had one robin land in the ideal place, so I've got a few shots of that. A few other birds have been floating about. But it's quite heavy rain now, and it's getting dark, so I'm going to go in. I did look up at one time and there was like a bird. What a fantastic shot it had made. But by the time I got up, got my camera, it was away. But I missed it because I was watching Michelle from China on Instagram. I don't know if you've ever seen her, but Michelle from China. I'll show you. Anyway, enough of that and enough of this. So until whenever and wherever, over and out.